In the packaging industry, you are under pressure to shorten your lead times and at the same time to expand the range of products you can offer to your clients. But you are probably also short of factory space and working under a tight budget. Whether you are a packaging printer or a commercial printer, the new Diana Go folder gluer from MK Masterwork and Heidelberg could be the answer to your production dilemma. Today I'm here in Novo Mesto, Slovakia, at the factory from our partner MK Masterwork at the launch event from the new machine Diana Go. I would like to take a moment to introduce this new machine to you. Capable of running a wide range of straight line and lock bottom carton styles, it can also make light work of commercial products like folders and mailing envelopes. The Diana Go is able to hit a top speed of 250 meters per minute in a machine just over 9 meters long. The feeder is designed for fast and easy setup without compromising reliable plank separation. The optional aligning module will add just under a meter to the overall length of the machine, but is a worthwhile investment if you want to hit top speeds on difficult carton styles. We can install a lock bottom kit here in the pre-folding section, which will hugely increase the range of carton styles your Diana Go can handle. The folding section is well over 2 meters, ensuring smooth and accurate final folding of the product without compromising performance. The transfer section of the Diana Go is prepared for the installation of an inline ejector. If you need the peace of mind of quality-assured production, we have that covered with a code reading system and a side seam glue control. The adhesion of the glue is assured by the compression and pressing station. The control system is very easy to use and the operators will appreciate the clean and simple layout of the user interface. The Diana Go is the latest machine to join the Diana family and it clearly shows the identifying features of the brand. I would be very pleased to welcome you at our demonstration center in Wiesloch and to have the chance to personally show you how the Diana Go can transform your business.